PTP, or simply ST2059 to give it its proper name, is the heartbeat of a broadcaster's IP facility. And like any heartbeat, once it's operational, you need to be able to monitor its health and performance. Otherwise, your broadcast facility is going to experience some unwelcome interruptions to service. Because PTP is a dynamic system, you need to be able to monitor it constantly and have tools that allow you to monitor potential trends that could impact on your broadcast operations. At Leader, along with our traditional quality of experience analysis tools, like the Waveform Monitor and Vectorscope, we also have a comprehensive range of IP analysis tools as part of our test and measurement product portfolio that can monitor the operation and performance of your PTP systems. These products include the Leader PHABRIX LPX500, the PHABRIX QX series, the Leader Zen series featuring the LV5600W and LV7600W, and the PHABRIX SX tag. So let's start off by looking at the Leader PHABRIX LPX500 and QX series and their PTP analysis tools. Depending on the network architecture you've deployed, you could potentially have two PTP network connections which need to be monitored. So let's start off by confirming the Grandmaster ID and the PTP domain. And both of these can be viewed in the Grandmaster Information tab, which also displays Priority 1, Clock Class, Priority 2, Clock Accuracy, Variance, Clock Source and PTP time, along with PTP frequency and phase lock status information. The QX Status tab displays Communication Mode, Delay Request Interval, Announce Timeout, Latency Offset, Local PTP Status, Frequency Adjustment Delta, Offset from Leader, and Steps Removed information. The Messaging tab displays messaging information for both the announce and sync messages. The Leader LV5600W and 7600W also provide the same PTP analysis information on both ports 1 and port 2. They also provide the T2-T1 and T4-T3 information, which can also be displayed graphically. And you can also select whether you wish to view port 1, port 2, or both ports simultaneously. It's also possible to scale the graphs from anywhere between 2 minutes up to 72 hours. Along with the delay time graph, it's also possible to display the time offset graph, which again can be scaled between 2 minutes to 72 hours, and you can select whether you view port 1, port 2, or both ports simultaneously. The Leader PHABRIX LPX500 and QX series also provide the ability to analyse the video, audio and ancillary data in relationship to PTP. And for those broadcasters operating in a hybrid environment with both SDI and IP, you can monitor both your external black and burst reference with PTP using the LPX500 and QX series. The Leader LV5600W and 7600W feature a traditional crosshair display that many engineers will be familiar with from their SDI operations. When set to monitor PTP black and burst phase, both the V phase and H phase are virtually zero, and the indicator sits at the centre of the crosshair. Along with PTP to black and burst phase, the LV5600 and 7600W can also display PTP to RTP phase. And as SMPTE 2110-20 is only the active picture, there will be a V phase line offset depending on whether the image is interlaced or progressive. The analysis of the PTP to RTP timestamps can also be displayed in a graphical form, again which can be scaled from anywhere from 2 minutes up to 72 hours and shows your -20 video, 20-30 audio and -40 ancillary data. And with the customized layout, we can also display the traditional crosshair display to give you unrivaled analysis of your PTP video, audio and ancillary data. And for those that require portable handheld PTP analysis, the SX tag features a full range of analysis tools which allows you to monitor 2 PTP sources simultaneously and detail PTP mode, PTP leader and PTP status, along with Grandmaster ID and Grandmaster IP address of the PTP leader. Now this IP address may be the Grandmaster clock or the IP address of a boundary clock.